Today's movement challenge is a dynamic balance test. Balance is important for everyone playing sports that involve directional changes and lateral movements, and also in everyday activities if you're just walking over unstable surfaces or changing directions. For this test, you're going to need 3 objects, anything that you can push on the ground with your foot. You're going to place 1 on the ground in front of you and 2 on the ground behind you at 45-degree angles to each other. Now you're going to stand on one leg in the middle. Your opposite foot is going to push each object out as far as you can. So foot on the object and push as far as you can without taking your weight off of your center leg. Same thing with the next one, push out as far as you can. And then same thing with the other object. Next, you're going to measure from your center point where your foot was to each object. Next, you're going to do the same test on your other leg and measure for that leg as well. To look at your results, we're looking at what we call the limb symmetry index, which is one leg divided by the other leg. We want this to be around 90% or higher. Anything lower than that shows a bigger discrepancy between one leg and the other, and that can make you at more risk of injury. If you found that one leg was a lot more difficult than the other, or just that overall when you did this you were quite wobbly, an exercise that you can try is the clock balance. What we're going to do is stand on one leg and reach your other leg out as far as you can in front of you, and then you're going to pretend you're standing in the middle of a clock. Repeat tapping this leg to each number of the clock.